Do you know that every year, an estimated 8 million children are reported missing around the world, with one child going missing every 55 seconds? In the animal kingdom, the situation is no better. Over 6 million owned pets are lost The average person misplaces over 3,000 items every year, and Americans spend $2.7 billion each year to replace them. An average of 1,774,208 cars were stolen per year between 2007 and 2016, according to yearly car theft figures. The National Insurance Crime Bureau, on the other hand, claims that on a daily basis, 156 vehicles are stolen. The average American spends 2.5 days per year looking for misplaced belongings, costing American households $2.7 billion in replacement costs each year. To add to this, 1. You spend 10 minutes every day on average looking for your phone, keys, or other misplaced belongings, 2.5 days per year. 2. Every week, 12,000 computers are stolen from airports in the United States. 3. Every year, 120,000 phones are lost in taxicabs in China. 4. 1.5 million bikes are stolen each year, only 5% return to the owner. 5. In general, people spend 4.5 hours searching for the TV controller every week.
Introducing LoveU, an universal 4G GPS tracker that offers a smart tracking solution for kids, seniors, pets, vehicles, and any other object. LoveU enables real-time positioning with high precision, delivering an unparalleled all-weather barrier-free tracking solution. Other features include historical playback, geofencing, and SOS alarm. It allows you to do less, but achieve more. Ultra lightweight and waterproof, its 600 mAh battery lasts up to 15 months per charge. If you have kids, or an aging loved one becomes disoriented at times, you may want to consider utilizing LoveU to track their whereabouts and find them in an emergency. Using the LoveU as a GPS tool to track your loved ones by no means restricts their freedom, but allows them to live an independent life while staying connected. Strengthen the bond by always knowing the exact location of your furry friends directly on your smartphone. The LoveU is compatible with any flat collar and harness. It also features a virtual fence that allows you to set a boundary for your pets to ensure their safety. If they make a sneaky escape and go beyond the fence radius, you will get notifications right away. Outdoor activities can be fun, but also dangerous without planning. A GPS tracker is the perfect companion for your adventures and can play a crucial role in the wild. With LoveU, you can share your real-time location with friends or use the one-click SOS function in case of an emergency. LoveU GPS can also be used to track your personal belongings, such as bags, cash, or jewelry. It allows you to pinpoint where your stolen car or missing cash is. With LoveU's mini design, it can fit in the palm of your hand and let you experience incredible portability. It offers endless opportunities and fits your tracking needs wherever you are. So please support us and get your LoveU now.